Hi, today we are going to talking about sketching storyboard. The story, what is story is about? First is a communication tool, like you can use to communicate to other people, and it represents the action, like a sequence of what's going on, and you can use to communicate between the user and designer to tell what it is by visualization. And moreover, actually the story, you need to have the component like actor, the event, the action, the problem, the solution, and the prop. And last one, object. In this one, we are talking about the filmmaking view angle for the camera shot. First one is a long shot that you see from far away, extreme long shot from far away. You can see people really small, and then you have a long shot, and you can come to see the whole picture of one person, and then you zoom in to see the face. It's called medium shot, and when you some of them you can use on the back like over shoulder shot, and you zoom into the mobile. It's called point of view shot, and you go into the detail, so you can say that it's a close up. How to develop the storyline? First, we need to ask the question like, where does the interaction take place? What is the problem that user face? And what is the task that people are trying to do? Like maybe they are working on the PDA. Principal are present, and what are their action? What are they doing? Maybe surrounding like or the user. What kind of the object? Mobile phone or tablet? What is the input and output device like mouse or monitor? What does the action of the people try to solve? So how you framing the storyline? First, you have the beginning frame and story development, and it have a 5 frame, and then you have the climax, and then go down to the end. We can draw the example like first you draw a frame, and you start to write down. For example, the person passing to the by looking on the advertising board, and number 2, he noticed that an announcement on the board, and he taking a photo of the board. For the number 3 process, we're using a barcode, and number 4, then you download the information from the barcode that already have, and then he turn over and walk away. Then you start to drawing the storyline of the image on it. That include the mobile phone, the people inside. Then you start to do the view of camera. Like the first one could be the extreme long shot, and when you coming people to watching on the side, so you over shoulder, and then zoom into the telephone, this point of view, and close up, and then extreme long shot at the end for going back. Then you drawing an arrow like the yellow arrow to say the direction of it. It's another example. You can use the image as a storyline as well, and you take a photo like what we said before. Then you draw the arrow, like this guy move into the board, and then he looking on the board, and he scanning by using his phone, and then the messages happen on his phone, and then he walk away. And then you start to write down the description below, what happened. way to drawing storyboard by you take the screen of the mobile phone, for example, and in the scene you can drawing. For example, in this one we use to draw an app called Mobile Count. So you can see that it's quite different from the scene before that you have people and you have object, but this one you have only the scene. For example, in this one it's called memory count, and you have the login page that you need to register username and input and sign in, and then you sign in, you go to another page of the file that you have on. So the scene should illustrate what happened from the first scene to the second scene. For example, in this one, the bouncing the image like a cake, rat and animal, and the video from the text. After that, if you click on the text movie, just go to another scene that you can show the a movie button and movie player. Have a scrolling on the right side, and have a like button, and when you press the like button you can talk with the comment of the people. So this is an example how you create the scene and you link it together, and you use arrow to drawing from one button to another scene. So it's storyboard in here is link between button and the scene and the action of the button.